What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we've got the Remo Hobby 1093, the Traxxas Trx-4 Sport Kit driven by RcBlitz. Link description below for him. And we've got some rubble at the BMX track, so we're gonna have some fun crawling. So let's get into it. Okay guys, and that is that for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and of course Remo Hobby did actually quite well. It was a bit that I didn't get on camera, but Remo Hobby did, but the Sport couldn't. Not sure why I didn't have that on camera. Bit disappointed I didn't, but you gotta deal with what you got at times, so yeah. However, you may have noticed a bit less scale crawling towards the end from Remo, as if I open up here, the spur gear and pinion has since been changed from stock. As you may or may not notice, this is not the stock gearing. This is actually off a /4x4 gearing as it comes out of the box, so I've just used what I've got and it's just about worked. And also we've got a different canned motor in here as well, but yeah, that is that. Anyways, so hope you enjoy, hope you enjoyed even, hope to see you next one. Yeah, see ya.